Hi, Andre. This is Andrew Weitzer. It is the 5th of March, and this is sprint number whatever it is. Don't remember what number it is, but I finished the alarmables, and I just started working on collisions. And this weekend I'm going to be doing a lot of collisions. Hopefully, I'll be able to get that done this weekend. Don't know if we'll finish this weekend, but definitely be able to finish. Hopefully, be able to finish it before the deadline, and I make sure I still have to make time for documentation and making a short little demo. So yeah. Okay, so alarmables. So first, game object, register the game object to be alarmable. There's three different ones. 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 8 seconds. Goes the alarmable, and it registers right here. Registers itself, the alarm ID in the float. Then it gets the total time from the time manager and makes an alarm marker at that time, and then it inserts the pair of the time and the marker. So the current time, and then the marker time, which will go off. So yeah, and then I guess take a look at the time manager. So yeah, just basic single thing that gets the total time and frame time from it basically just accesses frame time and total time. Nothing too fancy there. Alarm manager, alarm marker. Yeah, it's just simple stuff. Just data, just like the ID, this, and the set time for the So this is from the alarm marker, alarmable. So yeah, it just sets time to the alarmable. All right, and then that's that, and then the alarm manager. It contains a multi-map of the alarm markers. Was kind of confused about the multi-map data structure before. Peter basically explained just like a chain hash table. So that made a lot more sense. Because multiple seconds, there could be multiple alarms on the same time, so that made a lot more sense. So yeah, the way that Peter explained to me a way to delete things. This goes for my other manager as well. Is that he needs to delete it like right before it updates. So that's a very good. I think that was a good way to delete things without making it screwy. Basically, just goes through the multi-map right here, and then first of all, the deregister goes through the multi-map, and then puts everything that if it's deregistered, it goes through the multi-map, finds it, and then puts it in the delete list. And then once it updates, it goes to the delete list. And then if it deletes everything in the delete list. And then once that happens, then it goes through. Then it updates actually, and then it'll dispatch to the appropriate alarm. Then it just goes through every single one that's in the multi-map and dispatches it. So right here, and then just a switch for the different ones, and then it just goes to whichever one, and then that would go back to said methods in my game object right over here. So yeah, let's see this in action. Alright, so 3, 5, and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, yep, right there, and then 8 seconds. Boom. Alright, so that's the alarmables. That's done, and do all this. Okay, then I'll just show you what I started on collisions. Collision. Okay. So again, Peter met with me and tried to explain things to me in a very precise way. I just think I just have the basic structure right now, so I don't have anything filled in totally yet. But I have the being able to register a collidable group. So collidable group. So basically, let's go game object first. So right here, gets basically creates a collidable group. Right here, returns an instance, and then templates I haven't used them in a while, so I'm trying to basically understand just general data type, so it works for all different game objects. So it returns a unique instance for the test game object, and then it will be registered in it is now a collidable group, and then collidable group base. Here's this is base class. Base class. So, yeah. So basically just has the call test functions, and yeah. So that's not much filled in there yet. And then the collision manager started it. So basically just the set collision pairs, where it will take the instance from, so basically whatever when two game objects set to be collidable, will take the instance of the collidable group, put it in these, and then put it in a set of collision group collection, which is a set of collidable group bases. And it was cool because then Peter explained to me that because sets are everything's unique, so basically if there's one that's already there, then it will ignore it, which I thought was pretty good. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's just the basic of collision so far. Hopefully I'll be able to make a dent in it this weekend, and if I have any questions, I will post on Piazza. Probably most likely post on Piazza. I'll be in Bloomington this weekend, but I'll have a lot of work time to do. I'll actually have to leave in the middle of class, probably around like 40 minutes in, like 3:50, because I catch a mega bus actually. So yeah, if I have any questions, I'll ask you tomorrow, and yeah.